Hi Gemini, welcome to Omkara Tarot and let's do a weekend love bite for you. These are general collective readings, Gemini, so will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. Welcome back all my subscribers, and if you're new here, we welcome you in to our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly. So with that said, let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Gemini, this is going to be a small reading, just 3 cards each to see where you both are and what can we expect for this weekend. And we begin here. At the bottom of the deck, I have the 10 of Pentacles. Very nice. Stability in the home. Before I open the cards, Gemini, I'm going to take an angel blessing card as well to top this reading. Let's see how my angels are going to bless Geminis this weekend. My angels, can I please have a blessing or advice card? You found it. What did you find? My God. Such 2 beautiful cards. Stability, everlasting, happiness in the home. You found it. Let's see how this reading is going to unfold now. Okay, person A, 2 of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and the Star card. Then I have Justice, 9 of Wands, and the 9 of Swords. So somebody was going back and forth regarding a relationship, I think, in the past. Knight of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, 4 of Wands, and the Chariot. Wow. And bottom of the deck I had the 6 of Swords as well, moving away from troubled times into calmer waters. And the big cup of love as well. Excellent, Gemini. This is going to be a nice read. So I think one person here, person A, was not very sure about the partner. I think this is the feminine energy on top, who was kind of going back and forth and thinking, should I not invest with this person or not? Yeah, I think then there was a lot of communication regarding a fresh new beginning as well. Okay, after all this thinking, she was thinking so much. This feminine energy was thinking a lot because this person initially came across as the Knight of Wands. Now, the Knight of Wands is normally the player, right? The person who dips in and out of your life and says sweet nothings, has a passionate night or two, and then leaves. So that's why person A was a little confused about this relationship and not sure whether it was possible to have a fresh new beginning with this person or not. Okay, let me explain this to you first before I go any further. When I say feminine and masculine, some people got a little confused. I'm not saying the man did this and the woman did this, okay? Now, there could be 2 women who could be in love or 2 men who could be in love. One of them is more in control, let's say, of their masculine side. They're stronger, more aggressive, less emotional. So that would be the masculine side. And the feminine side, whoever's embodying more of that, would be the one who's more emotional, who's more softer, caring. So even in a dynamic of 2 men, one could be, more feminine and the other could be more masculine, and vice versa. Even between, say, a mother and daughter, the mother could be, the feminine energy, and the daughter who could be, pulling out their masculine energy much more. So that's just an example. So I am reading them as person A and person B, and then talking about what the masculine energy, whoever's embodying that, is feeling, and what the feminine energy is feeling. I hope you're not very confused, but you see where you resonate with. That's what matters. So this person, I think, is a very spiritual person. Person A is a very spiritual person. They've done a lot of healing. I think they're into spiritual practices as well. And they've healed quite a bit after, whatever's happened. Yeah, maybe they were very, very burdened in the past. Maybe some fresh new beginning happened, some communication happened after that. They realized that, this relationship's not going to work. This is never going to have that stability. And this was rather burdening for person A. Person B now wants to fight for it again. Okay, they want to bring justice back to this equation. They are wanting to give it one more shot, and they want to have some clear-cut communication regarding this. They are not happy by the way things have turned out, I think. Oh wow, the King of Swords is clarified by the King of Swords. So now there is some very, very clear communication coming from the masculine energy here. And they are saying, okay, whatever happened in the past, and I want to put things right now. And maybe earlier they were a bit guarded or whatever with this feminine, but now I think they've picked up that last wand and they want to give it that last shot to say, what can I do? What can I say to make you believe that, I want to do the right thing now? Yeah, maybe they want to offer commitment now. Okay, this masculine is now making up their mind, having clear communication to say, I want to, offer something very stable with you now. This has been on their mind for a long time, and they've been in the self-imposed prison as to what to do, how to bring justice back to this equation. But I think somebody here is now making up their mind. Yeah, things have been very stuck for a long, long time, right? Things have been very stuck for a long time, and now this masculine energy wants to drop this fight altogether. Enough is enough. So now for both of you, mutually I see there is a little bit of slow energy here. It's not going to be super fast, but whatever will be said and done will be very stable. This is not an energy which is flighty or in and out or one day here and one day there, which may have been the case in the past. Yeah, so oh my God, what's happening here, Gemini? This thing almost came to an end, but I think this ending is bringing a new beginning here. Look at this. Chariot is clarified by the Chariot. Somebody is moving towards the other very, very quick. Why? For this stability, long-term stability and happiness, and bringing in a very solid offer as well. Spirit, can I have a card for the Knight of Pentacles, please, for their mutual energy? Knight of Pentacles for their mutual energy. Yes, this person has realized it's no fun being single anymore. I don't want to be single. I don't want to play around. I don't want to meet so and so. And I found the one. Yes, yeah, you found it. You found it. Yeah, the one you want to have long-term stability with. And Four of Wands, Spirit. Yeah, they've given it a lot of thought. They've gone within, they've thought about it, and they've realized that maybe they went in the wrong direction in the past, or maybe both of you did. After, being in separation, you've come to that point to realize where you guys went wrong. You both are very, very attached to each other. Obsessed about each other, and I don't think you guys can leave each other, and there's a lot of movement happening, whether it's energetic, whether it's through social media or WhatsApp or whatever. Somebody's trying to manifest this comeback big time. So expect Gemini either to move towards your person now if you've made up your mind, and move away from all these troubled times into happier times. And if you're the cross watcher of Gemini, then please know that this person, I think, has made up their mind, and they may be reaching out to you one way or the other to talk about, have very clear communication regarding something more stable with the two of you. So that's all I have for you right now, Gemini. Take care, love and light. I'll see you soon next week for your September read. Namaste.